Are you looking for the best exercise trampolines? In this video we will look at some of the best exercise trampolines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Kanchimi Mini Workout Rebounder. Stability is where this trampoline stood out in our tests, thanks to its sturdy handlebars, durable frame, and thoughtful design details. Some trampolines can feel flimsy or thin, but this one was pretty sturdy when bouncing, our tester said. The bounce felt smooth and consistent, easing pressure on the knees and making moves like high knees and jumping jacks more effective. The padded handlebar added confidence during balance work, while the spring cover provided extra protection against slips. Assembly took about 15 minutes since the frame ships mostly pre-assembled, and our tester appreciated the inclusion of 2 sets of feet suction cups for hard floors and rubber grips for carpets, which made it adaptable to different spaces. At number 2. Leaps and Rebounds Mini Fitness Trampoline and Rebounder. The Leaps and Rebounds Rebounder is a great choice for anyone new to trampoline workouts with its stable base, forgiving bounce, and straightforward setup. Once set up, the trampoline felt steady and supportive. The bounce was soft yet controlled, which made basic moves like squats, ski jumps, and high knees approachable without extra strain. This had the perfect bounce-to-tension ratio, said our tester. I could focus on doing the moves correctly versus jumping harder to get a good bounce. They also praised the padded rim, which provided extra safety if they misstepped, and noted that the lightweight design made it easy to move around the room. At number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness Indoor and Outdoor Exercise Trampoline. For anyone who wants a durable, reliable trampoline for regular use, this model is a strong everyday option. Built to last, it impressed our tester with its sturdy construction and consistent performance. The frame and springs felt solid, the mat stayed taut, and the trampoline never shifted, even during vigorous workouts. I loved the stability, it made me feel safe so I could work out with speed and focus, our tester said. The bounce was consistent and shock absorbent, adding spring to cardio without extra strain. I was able to jump vigorously without the rebounder moving an inch, they noted. Quiet operation and a thick, reliable surface added to its quality feel, and the materials showed no signs of wear during testing. At number 4. Bellicon 39-inch Mini Trampoline. Popular on the fitness scene for its high-quality bungee system, the Bellicon delivered a smooth, springy bounce that felt easy on the joints and ideal for low-impact workouts. The bounce/tension balance was perfect for me. There was more bounce than tension, said our tester, who described the rebound as effortless but powerful. The trampoline felt sturdy and stable with no shifting or wobbling, and its forgiving bounce made it especially well-suited for gentle cardio or beginners easing into trampoline training. Assembly took longer than other models, as each bungee cord had to be attached individually, but the build quality stood out. With its premium price point, the Bellicon is an investment, but for light, low-impact exercise, its durability and smooth bounce make it a standout choice. At number 5. SkyBound Boogie Bounce Elite. If you need a rebounder that stows fast and travels well, this one's a winner. It arrives nearly assembled. Our tester only attached the feet and handle and unfolded the base, and the included travel/storage bag keeps everything together. The bounce is very smooth and evenly distributed, whisper quiet, and the handlebar helps you stay centered for cardio and balance drills. Build quality impressed too. Safety pins lock the folding joints and padding secures with Velcro, so nothing shifts mid-workout. At number 6. Acon 55 inches Hexagon Rebounder. With a large 55-inch hexagonal frame, ultra-taut bungees, and a solid steel base, this rebounder feels like a studio-grade piece of equipment. The larger surface lets you layer strength, light dumbbells, squats, with cardio without crowding your footwork. Please check the assembly was straightforward, taking about 15 minutes. Our testers praised the taut, safe feel and the optional handlebar added reassurance, though they admitted it wasn't essential for every workout.